Morning guys, in front of me is Honor 400 Smart, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select home screen and style, slide here to see select wallpaper and mark select wallpaper. And now just pick the picture that you want to cover your screen with. You can tap on more to go through all themes. You can open, let me just go back. You can open your camera to grab a photo right now. You can pick one from downloaded photos. You can pick one from official wallpapers, whatever you prefer. I'll go, for example, with this one. Okay, it has not the greatest quality, so maybe this one is a bit better. Yeah, let's leave this one. You can customize it, obviously. Let me leave it this way, and then mark done. Wait a couple of seconds, and then go back to your home screen. As you can see, the wallpaper is set. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.